Probability SAC Prep, Part 4.
This is a very typical question. We have balls placed in a box and two balls are drawn without replacement. Part A. What is the probability of drawing a red ball first and a green ball second? First, the probability of drawing a red is 3 out of 8, since there are 3 red balls and 8 total balls. But things change in the second stage. Because the balls aren't replaced, the total number of balls drops down to 7. Hence, the probability of drawing a green ball second is actually 2 out of 7, since there are still 2 green balls, but now only 7 total balls. All we do from here is multiply the two probabilities, since these events are done in sequence. Part B is similar, but it doesn't specify an order, hence we need to consider the order when answering the question. Drawing a green and a red can be done in 2 different ways, red and then green, or green and then red. The only one we don't know is green then red, so let's calculate that. Then we just add the two together because they are 2 mutually exclusive events that contribute to the final probability. Part C is a conditional probability. We want to know the probability that the second ball drawn is not red under the condition that the first ball is red. So we set up our conditional probability formula. The denominator is easy. The probability of drawing a red on the first draw is just 3 out of 8. The intersection is a little bit trickier. We need a red drawn first, but then anything other than a red needs to be drawn second. So for that, we just add the other colors' probabilities together for the second stage. Just remember the denominator is 7 since it's a stage 2 probability. A ball has already been drawn. Part D again uses the same tactic of just adding up the other color probabilities. 2 non-reds just means any other color times any other color. And finally, part E is going to be the most annoying. You just have to calculate red red, green green, and black black. Yellow is exempt from this since there's only 1 yellow to begin with.
If you found this guide helpful but want more support, I'm actually offering free consultations where we come up with a game plan to improve your studies. If you're interested, you can book a time using the link in the comments.